This is an interesting problem in friction. Let us do the problem. A body of mass 5 kilograms is lying on a rough horizontal surface. Coefficient of static friction and coefficient of kinetic friction, μs and μk, between the body and the surface are respectively 0.5 and 0.25. Motion is produced in the body by applying a constant horizontal force on it. When the magnitude of the force is least required, find the acceleration of the body after starting motion. Here what he is saying is, initially the body is at rest and then a constant horizontal force is applied on the object. And then after applying the force, once the motion starts and then the object start moving, the force is withdrawn. Okay, now we have to find out the acceleration of the object. That is the question. Okay. Now let us try to do the problem. Here, what is the data given to us? 5 kilograms is given to us. We have to find out the net force. Okay. You know, net force is equal to F net is equal to Fx, F net x is equal to x direction force. We have to find out Fx is equal to, here we have F kinetic friction, F friction static minus F friction kinetic. Okay. Is equal to MA. This is what required for us. So we have to find out the static friction and kinetic friction. That we find out using the free body diagram and then writing the force equations. Okay, here the object mass is 5 kilograms. And then obviously the y direction forces are Fn and Fg. And then let us consider the object is moving along the positive x direction. So the friction force is acting along the negative x direction. Now, here, this is the equation, x direction equation, force equation. In this, we have to find out static friction and kinetic friction. Now, let us find out the frictional force, equation for the frictional force. So, along the y direction, Fy is equal to Fn minus Fg is equal to Ma. And then here, along the y direction, acceleration is equal to 0. Therefore, Fn is equal to Fg. Okay, and we know Fg is equal to mg. Therefore, Fn is equal to mg. And we know that F friction is equal to mu mg. Okay, therefore, F friction kinetic is equal to, what are the values? Mu is kinetic friction, mu is coefficient of kinetic friction is 0.25. 0.25 times mass is 5 kilograms times g, I will take 9.8. So this will give kinetic friction value as 12.25 newtons. Am I right? 0.25 times 5 times this one. Now we have to find out the static friction value. F static is equal to 0.5 times 5 times 9.8. Okay. What is the value of this one? This gives 24.5 newtons. Okay, substitute these values in this and then try to find out the acceleration. Okay, 24.5 minus 12.25 is equal to 5 kilograms mass, and then acceleration we have to find out. Okay, this is 12.25. 12.25 is equal to 5a. Therefore, a is equal to 12.25 divided by 5. What is the value? 12.25 by 5 is equal to 2.45 meters per second square. This is the answer. It looks a bit tricky, but it is not that much difficult. If you understand the intricacies of the problem, it is very easy to solve. Hope this helps. Thank you. Bye-bye.